So hi, hello, and welcome to Auto Posting Tools. Today I'm going to show you how do you work with themes onto WordPress. In this case, if you remember in our previous tutorial, we got to install WordPress. In this case, if we go here, we're going to see that WordPress is just like that. Basically, it chooses the title of the post, the title of the of our website, and the sidebars. So in this case, we're going to change how this looks. And to change how it looks, basically, we just go here on themes, or you can go to dashboard, and then you can go to appearance, and then you go to themes. You can access it from different places. So now that you're here on themes, you have three themes by default. In this case, for example, if I were to want to activate this, I just click activate, and then this will activate this theme, and then you see the new theme has been activated, so I just click visit the site, and then it's just going to bring me back to this where my new theme is installed. In this case, let's say I don't want that, so I just will change it. So here basically you have three by default. WordPress gives you the option where you can just click add new, and basically a new window will come up that is going to show you many different themes here. So you could just go through the list and until you find something that you like. In this case, once you like it, you just click install, and then well, actually, let me just choose this one just for showing you how it works. So I click install, and now it says installing. So what it's doing is it's downloading this theme and it's putting it into your theme folder. So I just click activate, and then this is going to activate this theme. If I go here to this new theme, the look of my site changed completely to this kind of site. In this case, this is a nice theme. You could use this one. The only thing you have to do is modify it, and once you modify it, then you can use it for yourself. In this case, I will install a theme in a different way, which I'm going to show you how to do it. We go here on themes, we change back to the theme that I had before, the 2015. So now I have the theme that I had before. And what I'm going to do now is basically I'm going to open my FTP folder. In this case, to access your FTP, you just have to use FileZilla or any other FTP client that you have. And here you will choose your username and password that you saved previously. In this case, if you didn't save it previously, you just add it to your list. So now, if you remember, we have a folder called public HTML, and then we have it called Blue View USA. So this is our folder. So in order to install the theme that we want to install, we have to go through one of this one. In this case, it's on the main folder of your WordPress. Then you go to wp-content, and then you go to themes. And here you have all the themes that are installed. In this case, if you didn't want the Regina or you didn't like it at all, you can just remove it from there, and then basically you will remove it, and then the next time you show the theme folder, it's not going to show there. This case, what we are going to do is we are going to just basically copy the folder of the theme. In this case, the theme that we want to install is Avada 4.0. This case, I will just show you how this looks. This case, this is Avada. So this is basically how it looks. It has different ways to make this faster for you in order to code it and in order to do your website. So if you go through the different elements that it has, it has sliders, it has revolution slider, different kind of sliders, it has headers, it has different pages, menus, portfolio pages. So you could just go there and click on that. It has a shop. It has different elements that make it one of the best themes that you can install. As you can see, it's like very interactive. So this is one of the best themes that you can install. So in order to install this, you either have to buy it, you click here on buy a Avada now, and then the price of that is $60. So today, I just will share with you this Avada theme for $20. If you are watching if you are on my site, basically just go there and send me an email and ask me for the link to pay $20, and I'm going to be sending you this Avada theme to you. So let's just go back to here. So you saw that uh, the other folder was removed. So basically, I just will select the new folder of Avada, and I'm going to transfer it into my theme folder. What this is going to do is it's going to install a Vada theme into my theme. So the next time I go to the themes into WordPress, I will be able to choose Avada, and then I'm going to be able to start using that specific theme. So here we just come back to our themes. Here it's going to show up once I refresh the page, and the original light that I just added before, it will be removed because I removed it from the FTP. So as you can see, I'll show you on this page. This is another WordPress page with a different theme. If you change the theme, basically you can do many things. Some themes has theme options where you can change the logo, how the logo looks, how the page looks like. You can add custom CSS code. You can add many different things. So it just depends on your theme. So I just will come back here and just continue showing you a little bit more about this theme. So this is the portfolio page where you can just change this depending on whatever categories you have, and then you can showcase your work. In this case, this is very important. So whenever you're doing a job about graphic design or designing something, websites or stuff, it's good if you have like a nice ways to show that you know how to do all this. You can add blogs, you can add a shopping cart with WooCommerce. In this case, we just went to the shopping cart section. It's going to open up for us, and it's going to show us how it will work. So here you have the WooCommerce card. We're going to create a video about how to install WooCommerce, where most of the job it's already done for you. Like where people add the products and then they have it in their cart, and then they just continue adding, and then they just check out with PayPal, and you get paid instantly. So it's very easy to do these kind of things if you know how to do it. So you have also different features, different colors. You have many options with this theme. So we just go to the elements. You have modal pop modal pop-ups, questions and answers, frequently asked questions, and like actually you have like a lot of things that you can choose from. So about that you have reviews, you have a search bar, and this is like a really good theme that you can use. So it sometimes it takes a little bit of time to upload because it's a big file, but once it's installed you will be able to use it. Like for example, you see this model button, so it opens up a new window on top, which is really cool. So you see there it shows up how everything is working, and all this is just with the same theme. Also it shows you that you can have different footers. So in this case the footers is to give more information about your company, useful links, some recent work, to put your who did the website, to put the copyright, to put your social media. uh, Actually, you can do pretty much anything that you want with this theme. That's why it's one of the most sold themes. So if you want to get this theme, just basically go to my site. In this case, you're on autopostingtools.com. Go to contact us, Basically, just send me an email. Tell me I want the Avada team. Send me the link to pay you, and I'm going to send. And then I'm going to read it, reply to you, and then once you pay me, I'm going to send you the Avada team, and basically you can start using it the same way I'm going to be using it now. So I'm going to stop the video just for now until until the um, until the thing gets uploaded. Hi, as you can see, the Avada team is already uploaded into our team folder. So what we just do is we come back here into WordPress and we just click on Teams. This is going to show our Avada team. So here is the Avada team, and we just click Activate. So whenever we click Activate, basically it's going to tell us that our team it's been activated and that we should install those other two plugins. So we just click begin installing these plugins. We select those ones and we click install. We click apply. This is for the sliders, so you have like the option to put the sliders in your theme. So we just click apply and now it's downloading them and it's going to install them. And then we just need to activate them. So it did finish and return to the plugin installer. So to activate them, we click there and then we select the checkbox and we click activate and we click apply. So if we did everything properly, if we go to Blueview USA, we should have our new Avada team. And basically we have our new Avada team. This is just the basic how it look like. You need to modify the settings. You need to go here in team options and start playing with that so it will look the way you want it to look. So there you have many different settings that you can change, and basically you can change the header, the logo, the lightbox. You can add your own code. You can add many things here. So we are going to be modifying this in a later video. For now, I just wanted to show you how you can change your theme into WordPress. As you can see, you can change the theme if you buy it from a place called like Evanto Market, like Team Forest. There are many different themes there. You can get it from the ones that WordPress has by default. So if you go to themes and you go to the add new, you can find a lot of themes that are created and that basically everybody uses for their own website. And you can choose one of those for your site. And if you want like something related to a topic, like for example music, just type music, and then you'll see that it's going to find you some themes related to music or to any topic that you want. So that way you can choose one that it's more likely to be the something that you like on your business. Okay, so this video ends here. Now you know how you can modify, uh, how you can add a theme into your WordPress site, either from the WordPress library or you can add it from one that you buy onto the internet. In this case, we install Bada. So if you wanted to get it, just send me an email and I'm going to be giving the theme for you for $20. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.